Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a keto version of the Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana soup. And take note, you see the Fit Organics in the back. That is what I use to clean my cauliflower and my kale. Make sure you're washing those vegetables. These are the spices that I'll be using: salt, seasonal, red pepper flakes, and some black pepper. And now I'm going to just break this cauliflower apart and chop off the stems and get it prepared to go in the pot. Chop up some onion. Onion is optional for this recipe. I know that strict keto does not allow onions, but it's optional. And next I'm going to just make sure that my kale is washed very good and I give it time to drain properly before I get ready to add it into the pot. And now time for the good stuff. The Jimmy Dean Italian pork sausage. Y'all, this stuff is so good. It's got a little spice, a little kick to it, but I like it. And I'm just gonna chop that up and let it do what it do in the pot, you know what I'm saying? And then we're going to move on and add some more good stuff to this recipe, like all of this good old bacon. And the recipe called for 4 slices of bacon. However, I did decide to add 8 because, you know, that's what I do. And Lord, listen to the sizzle of that bacon. Bacon, 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 bacon. That's why I love keto. And now, just to add my chopped onion and cooking it with a little of that bacon grease. I did drain off most of it and I reserved about 1.5 tablespoons so that I could sweat my vegetables down, such as my onion and my garlic. And now I'm adding my kosher salt to the mix. And next I will add my black pepper. And all of the measurements that I use will be down in the description box, so check out the description box for the complete recipe. And now my seasonal. This is optional. This is just something that I choose to add into my Zuppa Toscana. And of course the red pepper flakes are optional as well. I like for my soup just to have a little kick. I don't want it to be too spicy, but I do like a little kick to my soup. And now I'm adding my chicken stock, and my cauliflower is already in the pot, and as you can see I am adding my kale, and I'm going to just let the kale cook down just until it's bright green. I'm not going to overcook it or anything because I still want the nutrients and everything to be in it. I want it to be bright. And now that I've allowed that just to cook down a little bit, I'm going to add my bacon and my sausage back into the pot and stir that in. And then we're going to add some more of the good stuff. Now it's time to make this soup creamy. And there goes the good old heavy cream. Yes, this soup is so bomb, especially in this cold weather. So you can't beat a good Zuppa Toscana soup. And trust me, y'all, you cannot even tell that the cauliflower is not actual potatoes. And you just want to top it off with a little bit of this Parmesan grated cheese and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Have a great day. Thank you.